If you're looking for the best VPN for Android, there are plenty of options available. But when it comes to speed, security, and a smooth experience on Android devices, a few VPN services stand out above the rest. In this video, we'll take a look at 3 of the best VPNs for Android right now: NordVPN, Surfshark, and Proton VPN. And if you want to try any of them, you'll find links with discounts in the description and in the pinned comment. Let's start with NordVPN. NordVPN is one of the most widely used VPN services and offers a very polished Android app. The interface is clean and modern, with a large connect button and an interactive map that lets you quickly choose servers around the world. Performance is one of NordVPN's biggest strengths. Thanks to the NordLynx protocol, it delivers very fast speeds while keeping your connection secure. It also includes additional tools like threat protection, which can help block ads, trackers, and malicious websites while browsing. When it comes to pricing, NordVPN usually starts at around $2.99 per month and can go up to about $6.89 per month depending on the plan you choose with a 2-year subscription. Of course, these prices can change over time depending on current promotions. Next is Surfshark. Surfshark has become very popular thanks to its great balance between price and features. One of its biggest advantages is that it allows unlimited device connections, so you can protect all your devices with a single subscription. The Surfshark Android app has a simple and modern design, making it easy to connect to servers quickly. It also includes features like Clean Web, which blocks ads, trackers, and malicious domains to create a cleaner browsing experience. In terms of pricing, Surfshark is usually one of the most affordable premium VPNs, with long-term plans typically ranging from about $1.99 per month to around $3.99 per month on a 2-year plan, depending on the features and current deals. Finally, there's Proton VPN. Proton VPN is developed by the same company behind Proton Mail and focuses strongly on privacy and transparency. The company follows a strict no-logs policy and operates from Switzerland, which has strong privacy protections. The Proton VPN Android app has a clean and minimal interface with an easy server list and quick connect option. It also includes NetShield, a feature that helps block ads, trackers, and malicious domains while browsing. Pricing for Proton VPN Plus typically starts at around $2.49 per month on a 2-year plan, although the exact price can vary depending on the promotion available at the time. Overall, NordVPN, Surfshark, and Proton VPN are all excellent choices if you're looking for a reliable VPN for Android. Each offers strong security, fast performance, and easy-to-use Android apps, so the best option really depends on whether you prioritize speed, price, or privacy features. If you want to check the latest discounts for these VPNs, remember that the links are available in the description and in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more VPN reviews, tech deals, and privacy guides.